Man, so me I make some tea, you know. Before me make it tea, you see when me a little boy, Milo and Horlicks. You know remember Milo and Horlicks were nice? Them they sitting in a deal with me yard until Christmas. So we grew up on bush tea. Me have fever grass, me have cinnamon, and me have wild basil. One of the nicest drinking tea, but me get to find out that it works on the nervous system and it also get rid of anxiety. Yo, so me I put them three together. But me just want to understand, say, you know, we have to go back to the simplicity of life. You see me? Because simple is more. And when we put them three bushes together along with ginger, it made me feel happy, man. You. It put me in a happy sensation. So, today me I share my tea with you this morning. You see me? Yeah, this grand rise. Bless upon yourself. Peace and light. Boom. Knowledge of the true verse. Yeah, man. Peace and light. So, yo, put it in on my face, man. Make them see my face. One time, you know, Milo tea, you know, deal with me yard nor Horlicks unless at Christmas. We always a drink bush tea, and I wonder why our ancestors, them and grandmother and grandfather never usually sick, because right now we get to find out, say, Chinese them a parch flour and use browning to make Milo. Milo not chocolate anymore. Watch on yourself, people. So today what me have wild basil, cinnamon, fever grass or lemongrass, the same thing with ginger. Yo, stay connected, you know, people. My favorite tea this year. Wild basil, you know, say for fever, name fever grass. Me I say wild basil, fever grass for fever, wild basil, anxiety, and also for blood flow. And we have cinnamon. Oh my, cinnamon is what? Cinnamon come like, I want plant to just make you feel good. You know, notice cinnamon attract money, attract everything. And ginger, you know what ginger for? Natural immunizer. Yo, me gone out here, natural great iron. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth, it's on Amazon. See ya, check it out.